This is what hard work and dedication looks like, guys.
C. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. Oh, hey y'all. Welcome back to Shalom Meadows. Place where we're flipping this old rundown, driving you crazy nuts, the 60s to the 70s office building to our home. Laundry room part 4. Click, click. Sorry. Thanks for coming back though. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell. If not, I'll go crazy. Ah! Oh. What's that? What's that flying over your head? That light's white, whatever it is.
Thanks. Bad.
What am I doing? It's serious. Okay. I was just playing around bull
Actually,
crap.
Can you put it back?
See, I was just playing around bull crap. Ain't rolling, okay? My sock has fallen. C. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. And if there's any disrespect of Harvard and Yale. Ah! Oh. I'm at the college. There's no need for Princeton. Okay. What does that mean? I don't know. I'm too intelligent. But I have to measure a 7-footer for a 7-footer. Okay. I'm nowhere near that. So, is it hard to yell while you're waiting for the prince? Let me know. Harvard, Yale, and Princeton. Intelligence takes time. Okay. Pardon me, sir. But I have to measure you. Okay. Chop chop Cheerios. If that's not your favorite kind of cereal, I do apologize. Chop chop Fruit Loops. Cheerio is not your favorite cereal. Chop chop Cinnamon Toast Crunch. As you get older, you find ways to not have to bend over more than once. Not that I'm old. It's just your bend over tree starts to wear out as you get a little older. On that lovely note, now I shall bend over. But hopefully not too many times. Chop chop. Myself. You hear him calling again? Get to work.
One cheek.
You stay where you are. Yay!
Come here! This looks pretty intelligent.
Your buttotry doesn't feel well when it's on a can. And I don't mean a toilet. I mean a pint can. Not a pint. A pint. I didn't go to Yale. Ah! I mean, right now I'm going to Hartford because it is very hard for me right now. Prince, come help me. Yes, sir. I'm on my way.
This is what hard work and dedication looks like, guys.
I'm not dedicated to the laundry room. I am dedicated to my wife. While doing the work, gentlemen, ladies, while doing the work, ladies and gentlemen, don't be dedicated to what you're doing. Be dedicated for who you're doing it for. A lot of times you don't want to do it, but you're not doing it for you. You're doing it for that other person. Oh, my cheek. Okay. It's too short.
No, it's just right.
You sure that's why you want it going there?
Yeah.
Get a hammer for that. My name's not Zena. It's Justin.
Are you cool? Okay, you done? You good? Is it zipped? Okay, can we go now?
Ah! Hey. Hey, buddy. Were you there the whole time?
Oh, God, I was there. I was there.
I've been right here the whole time. Am I bit?
I don't know. You wouldn't be able to know it was in your hair.
Oh. Oh, my toe. I feel it. Oh. Ah! Stay on my toe. Oh. I'm glad I saw that because I would have been putting that top on and Daddy would have got bit and Daddy would have ran around and fell out and passed out and said things and went around in circles and became a crazy man. Oh, wait, I already am one. Measuring tape. That's right there. What in the world are you looking
There
for
you
it
go.
for? You
There you
see,
go.
and then you go back
We're all
behind the
back.
camera. Why don't you daggum go get the daggum right there, cheap boy, daggum get the daggum measuring tape right there, baby. Everybody gonna
You're
want to say
closer.
everybody gonna want to say here gonna sell the drill, to myself.
Closer.
$1, sell the drill. Hey, what about this? Everybody gonna make it, everybody gonna get the measure tape, everybody gonna get the measure tape. Who's gonna get the measure tape? Shalom Meadows for free. That fly. Yes, I saved your life, fly. I saved your ever-loving life. It don't mean that you gotta get all around my face. Get out of the window or out of the door. Because I don't want to live by RV by the river. I was going to say that I said what I thought I was going to mean what I said.
What was?
I don't know. A word about came out, and I don't know what it was, but I didn't think it was going to be measured, but it was measured. Don't make me be nice to you, okay? I'll be so nice to you. You might get offended. Okay. Did you see what just happened?
No. You get stuff caught in your hair now.
I felt like I had a spider web in there. Spider might have been crawling around making a web in my head. Now I felt like I got bit in the neck, but now I nailed myself in the neck. Like not with a nail, but with my nails. See, I scroached myself. See?
I think a ladder will help.
See, I scroached myself. You see it?
Yes.
That hurt. I felt like a spider bite. The height, no, I didn't, but I grew the beard.
Yeah, there's that. You stood your arm.
What? Yeah.
You got it all the way to the edge, right?
Yeah.
Why would I tell you to treat it within our house?
I said, I hope you know which one's treated.
Yeah, I hope you know which one's treated so you don't pick that one.
You didn't say that.
What crazy person puts treated wood in their house?
Someone who went to Harvard and Yale. Ah! That good? Insane in the membrane. Insane
90s?
in the membrane. Insane in the insane in the insane in the.
You're diagonal. Do you want me to measure it?
Are you calling me names now? Huh? Diagonal? Huh? Why can't I be parallel? Huh? I'm standing straight up. I'm not.
Didn't catch.
Hold on. I caught it. Where a mark?
Oh, Lord. I didn't get the wrong one. Nope. Yeah, that.
Something touched my hair. Hey, whoa! Watch the locks.
Yep. Oh my God. You're too close to the electric.
Measuring tape.
Behind the scary door. Spider webs. Amongst some other things, I'm sure. Ah! Is this a game?
2,000 years later.
This is a stretch. That's.
What if I poke you in the eye?
Do it again. That's.
Golly!
Left hand. It's okay, buddy. I'm about to use you. More like that.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Gosh, it looks so much better.
There you go. Oh. Oops, baby, I did it again. Did what? The laundry room. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you know when videos are coming out. Laundry room part 5. Hey, don't forget, y'all, to like, okay? And drop a comment. Till next time. Vroom, vroom. Shalom, y'all.